Tom O'Neill, number 5.
This is a piece of apple wood that Martin and I understand, because I started with a piece that was like this. It was about 8 inches, and this plane was supposed to be 12 inches by 2.5. But by the time I started to cut it up and followed the cracks, I've got it 10 inches and about 2. And this is out of a plan out of Firewood Woodworking from March and April 2021. So it's a Western plane, but built to pull. So that's why it looks like a it's not a Japanese plane, because they would only touch it here, here, and here. And you've got to take a thousandths or a little better than a thousandths of an inch out, a scoop in the middle, and that's not me. Not yet, anyway. So, and then it's made with the same as a curve-off plane. I cut 2 sides out of it, cut the escapes, put it in the wedge. It will cut, but we're having a little bit of discussion as to what fine-tuning should be. It doesn't seem to think the same way I do. But I think we'll be able to get it to make. I made a mistake when I cut the escapes on it. You take the iron and the wedge, and I wasn't thinking when I did it, and when I measured them, I had the iron and the wedge together, but I had the wedge sticking out too far. So when I got it all done, I was too wide at the end in order to get it to. So I've patched it a little bit, as you can see, and well, we'll see how it goes down the road. Yes.
Where did you get that blade from? I noticed it's quite thick.
That's a hawk blade from Lee Valley, 1.5 inches. It's Howard's feed and wax coating on it. It's like a furniture stuff you can get put on. So it's just a coat on there. You put it on and buff it up.
Perfect.